What is up, folks? Danny here with another quick video, and today I am going to unbox my November Privada Cigar Club monthly membership box. So here we go. Privada. Alright. So, like always, you get a nice Boveda pack that holds the cigars. Holds about 4 cigars if they're like Robusto size, but you get 3 really any size cigars. Typically bigger than Robusto, but you will get Robusto sometimes. But anyway, yeah, really great cigars in here. Let's see what we got. All right, so the way we do the Privada Cigar Club does this is they send these cards that will tell you, about the cigar. This one is a 6x50 ring gauge. It's been aged for 4 years. And it tells you a little bit about the cigar, as well as on the back. This one's called the piece. It tells you where it's from, where the wrapper is the Ecuadorian Habano. You got a binder is the Nicaraguan binder, and the filler is the Nicaraguan Dominican blend. So, yeah, so basically that's that cigar. But anyway, it'll tell you what, this is what Brian got when his notes for it. And just, it gives you a reference of what to look for. Also, what to pair it with. So it says opening act, mid-session, revelations, and the grand finale. Basically what that means is the 3/3 of the cigar: the first third, the second third, and the final third. So that's what he's talking about there. But anyway, yeah, so we got the peace, the love, and finally the happiness. So yeah, all 3 things are very good things: peace, love, and happiness. Everybody wants that. So anyway, those are just what we have in there. I will show you inside. Again, like I said, this is it's a Boveda. This will keep your cigars good for a year as long as you have a Boveda pack in there too. But it's a Ziploc right here. You don't need to cut it open. You can just open it like a Ziploc. So we got 3 cigars in there. There's also a Boveda pack, but I just dropped it on the ground. See, the 69. That is the perfect humidity level for at least me in Colorado. But yeah, so we got 3 cigars. That's the love, the peace, and the happiness. So, yeah, I mean, guys, like I said, the Privada Cigar Club is just, it's an amazing club. They have really good value. Cigars are very expensive, and I mean, for the past 4 years, pretty much everything has gotten more expensive. I mean, at least 50% to almost 100% more expensive on many products. But the Privada Cigar Club, I've paid the same price monthly that I've paid since I joined in 2018. And, they never called me and were like, oh, inflation, we need to, bump your price up. No, they didn't do that, because they're an awesome company. They care about their customers, and it really shows. And there's a lot of other reasons why I can tell you that the Privada Cigar Company cares about their customers, but we'll leave that for another video. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. This is the second one I've ever done. So if you like these, let me know. If not, no worries. Thanks for watching.